Cheers to the big five. We've only been on safari in Kenya for 2.5 days, and we have seen the big five. Tom's first big five. Actually, yeah, Tom's first. I've seen a big five. But so we've seen our lion, our leopard, not cheetah, lion, leopard, rhino, buffalo, and elephant. We've also seen cheetah and a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, so we're celebrating tonight. Tomorrow. Oh, and we saw the Great Migration. Holy cow. So hopefully you enjoyed checking out the big five today. So sorry about last week. I had a very busy weekend. and doing some planning and some future work. And hopefully later this year I'll be able to share that with you. For now, I do apologize missing a week, but hopefully a whole video of nothing but the big five will make up for that a little bit. So the big five, that's like the default holy grail of safaris. It comes from back in the big trophy hunter days, and yeah, that's where it came from, because they the big five is basically comprised of the most dangerous animals for those big game hunters. Big five is, as you saw in the beginning, the elephant, the rhino, the leopard, the lion, and the Cape buffalo. So I didn't film a lot of video on the leopard or the Cape buffalo, so I did throw in some pictures for you. We did see plenty of them. I just didn't get a lot of video, especially leopards. They're very elusive. When you do find them, they don't hang out for very long, and the other one that we saw was quite a ways away. So you just got a couple pictures of the one that we saw fairly close up. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to close out by throwing in some of my big three, because that's what I'm spending my time with today. I did want to get outside and show you how beautiful West Michigan is in the winter and get some footage of my big three, Tessie, Bodie, and Leo. But geez, oh Pete, since I've lost all my insulation, I just don't handle the cold as well. And this weekend it is well below zero. And yeah, I'm just staying in. I will definitely get out while we got some nice, beautiful snow on the ground and get you some footage of West Michigan in the winter, but it's just not this weekend. So again, enjoy the big five. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Definitely happy if you want to go ahead and give me a subscribe. Love taking you along on our adventures and our journeys, and that's the best way to find out as quickly as possible about our updates and things that we're doing. So other than that, we'll see you next week. Not sure if I'm bringing you West Michigan or if I'm taking you back to Kenya to warm you up, but sure enough, it'll be a fun adventure. Thanks again.